Duplicate photos on a Mac can quickly take up storage space and make your photo library harder to manage over time. Today, I'll show you how to remove duplicate photos using PictureEcho. Once you've installed the PictureEcho application for your Mac, the next step is to add the folder or photo library that you want to scan. Click Add Path and select your Photos directory or any folder where your images are stored. After selecting your folder, you can choose the scan mode to be similar or exact. If you choose the similar scan mode, you need to set this similarity threshold. Once you have selected the similarity threshold, start your scan. PictureEcho will now analyze your images and detect duplicate as well as visually similar photos within the selected location. Once the scan is complete, all duplicate photos are grouped together for easy review. Now you can go through each group and compare the images side by side. This step is important because it allows you to clearly see differences between similar images before deleting anything. After reviewing, select the duplicate photos you want to remove. You can either move them to a different folder or to the recycle bin or directly delete. You can even choose bulk selection, where you can keep the oldest, newest, largest, highest resolution or lowest resolution photo, and that's it. PictureEcho makes it simple to remove duplicate photos on Mac by scanning your folders, grouping similar images, and allowing you to safely clean up your photo library.